problem with these types of wingers is their 1v1 ability is usually so exciting, but their end product can often be so disappointing. But we're back with another source check because this kid does not have that problem. Look at this daisy cutter to switch the play. Ability is one thing, but intelligence is what unlocks it, and you can literally see his thought process in this clip. He wants to go forwards, he wants to switch play, but when he can't, he just fakes and connects his pass. And when I talk about intelligence, that's also about how you use your teammates to progress the ball with combinations. If you can mix that link up with raw 1v1 ability and the decision making to get your numbers up, there is no way that scouts are going to look past you. Many wingers struggle in central areas because of the pressure coming from different angles, but again, both ability and intelligence. He used his body to protect the ball and then fast feet to escape the defenders around him. And this next finish is exactly what I'm talking about. He goes high and hard into the near post. A great decision to select the shot and even better execution on his weaker foot. If you want me to analyze your clips, post your highlights, tag me in the video, and we can run a source check for you.